Hi, I'm Angie, and today I'm promoting our campaign Dog Scare. Today I'm with a student of veterinarian in the UTP, Catalina. Catalina, tell us, why do you love animals?
Okay, I love animals because they are so loyal, intelligent, adorable, and living creatures. They deserve respect like humans.
Now, Catalina, tell us, what do you think about our campaign?
I think that is something that show results, and more people should do it. No, just with dogs.
Which is your opinion about animal abuse?
There are so many things to say about it, but in summary, I gonna say that should be more loud about the animal abuse, like women abuse, or things like this.
And what do you do for dogs?
I swim for them and for animals, and I spend my free time taking care of them. Some days I walk for street and give food to them.
I want to invite two people to participate in this campaign. The people should think that animals feel like us.